Hey everyone, welcome to Adventure Prone 4x4. On today's episode we're going to be installing some rated recovery points onto the front of the nav. This is something that everyone should have when they're out four-wheel driving. You never know when you're going to find yourself in a sticky situation and you're going to need to be pulled out from the front. It really shouldn't have taken me this long to get some for my own car, but I have them now and we're going to put them on. Basically any kind of factory point usually isn't made for recovering off. Usually they're just factory tow points so that they can put them on the tilt trays and all that kind of get up. So to be pulling off your tow point instead of rated recovery points can be really dangerous, not just for you but for the people around you as well. I'm probably lucky enough that I've never really had to have been pulled out from the front with a great deal of force. Like I said, it's something that you never know when you are going to find yourself in that sticky situation, so it's just a good thing to have. They're an inexpensive thing to buy. I think mine only set me back probably about $90, and really, in the scheme of things, that's not very much when it comes down to the safety of you, your family, your friends, anyone around you when you are four-wheel driving. The recovery points that I've chosen are the Rock Armour recovery points, and these are obviously for my model D22 Navara. So what we'll do is we'll just have a quick look at what's in the box and then we'll put them on. Installation should be really easy, really quick and simple. Like I said, this is one of the easiest things that you can do to your car and possibly one of the most effective and something that we all should really invest in. In the box, all we've got are the actual recovery points themselves. They will, like I said, they will change depending on what model car you've got. They don't all look like that. That's the other one. I think you'll find that these are spacers. Then obviously you just got your bolts. There's not even any nuts in there. It just screws into, I believe, the chassis. And that's literally everything that's in there. Some washers, some spring washers, and that's it. So it should be a really simple installation.
And guys, don't forget when in the workshop to wear the appropriate safety footwear, hand protection, and eye protection.
Okay, so the kit doesn't actually come with any instructions. Like I said, it's pretty basic enough to be able to install them. What we're going to do first is we're going to clean out the holes that the bolts are going to go into. What we've got to do that is just some wire brushes that attach into a typical drill, and that's just going to help us clean out the grooves. That is going to be a hot spot for any kind of mud, sand, dust, anything like that to accumulate in those holes. They are right up under here. So like I said, that's a hot spot for any kind of dust, mud when you are at full drive and you get stuck. We really don't want to go flogging these bolts into there if there is dirt and whatnot in there. That's just going to cause problems down the track. So we're just going to clean them out with something like that, a little bit of water and one of those, and then we'll put everything in. Cool, so that's that part done. What we're going to do now is just put the spacers on and the rest of the assembly. It should all go in one swift motion, so we'll put those on now. Now just quickly as well, I did just want to show you where these are actually mounting into. We've obviously got one hole there, and there's one a little bit further up the back there. So it's just those two holes there that these brackets are mounting to, which is just on the bottom of the chassis.
And right about here, the battery goes flat on the camera again, so I didn't get the full install for that second piece, but it's the same as the first.
So that's everything bolted up and ready to go. Now note, I have also torqued these up to 90 Newton meters. Otherwise, that is everything done. It really is as easy as that. Everything's torqued up, 90 foot-pounds, 90 Newton meters. Like I said, super easy. It's literally 4 bolts that bolts everything in. Everything's super simple. It really is as easy as buying it and bolting it in. I do feel a little bit guilty that I didn't have these before now. It really is something that everyone should have if they are going off-road, if they are full driving. if they're going out hitting the tracks, but like I said, they're on now, better late than never, and I really do urge everyone else to go out and buy some of these if you are getting into this fall driving scene. Guys, that is the end of the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe it. You can follow us on Instagram, you can follow us on Facebook, and follow our YouTube as well. We will have our website up and running soon as well, so don't forget to follow all those. Otherwise, stay cool. This summer heat's a killer, and see you in the next video.